Look, guys, I'm doing this every day, guys, just to flat my tummy, and also it can bigger my hips, guys, and my legs. Ayan. Only this kind of exercise, guys, I'm doing daily, guys, daily exercises. Look, ayan, guys. Ayan, only my tummy. That is my problem, guys. Only my tummy. I need to flat my tummy, guys. This one, oh. Look, and my back is so good right now. Good na siya. Okay na yung aking back, guys. Ang aking lang problem is my tummy. And also my, ano, guys. And also my shoulder. Ayan. I feel good right now. Ayan, guys. To 2 days exercise, guys. I feel better now. Ayan, parang lumiit na yung aking braso, guys. And also my stomach. Ayan, parang lumiit na yung aking, ano, guys, yung aking bill. So, ayan, 1 month. 1 month more. 1 month more, guys, to flat my tummy. Just like this. I'm doing like this, guys. This is my kind of exercise. Ayan, to flat my tummy. Tummy, only this, guys, my problem. Ayan, only this. Only this, guys. Oh, only this I'm doing every day. Just, that's all, guys. Ayan.